Why was I never taught this in school? That's a question I get asked a lot. Why wasn't I taught about finances in school? Why wasn't I taught about investing in school? And the reason is pretty simple. School is designed to make great employees. That is the whole premise of school, whether it be elementary school, high school, college. And think about it. They get you to sit at a desk, and just like you sit at a desk at school, you sit at a desk at work in a cubicle, right? Raise your hand, ask for permission on your job, ask for permission to have a day off, ask for permission to do whatever it is that you want to do, right? You got to ask for permission. Walk in a straight line. In elementary school, they teach kids to walk in a straight line, and that's the same with a job. Stay in your lane. Don't try to get out of your lane, but stay in your lane. Stay in the straight line that you're supposed to be in, and get your assignments completed on time. It's the same with work. They want you to turn in certain assignment or certain job by a certain time. And so it's school is designed to make great employees, but it's not designed to make you wealthy. It's not designed to make you start your own business or to invest in real estate. And if all you want to be is a good employee, then school is great. School is great for a great benefit for people that just want to be a good employee, but it's not, and I'm not advocating for you to not finish high school. But most people, in my personal opinion, really don't need college after that. Not unless you're going to be a doctor or a lawyer or some field that requires you to have that degree. Um, for most, you need to be thinking of creatively about what can I do to break out of that 9 to 5 or that employee mentality. So today we're going to be talking about 3 things that school just does not teach. And I want you to stay for the last one because the last one is one of the most important ones, and it's one that's going to really change your life. Okay. So, number one, school doesn't teach that money is a liability. And if it's not being deployed to make more money, it's a liability. What do I mean by that? Schools, if they teach anything, they teach you save, 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 save your money, build up, save your money. And that's just not a good, wise idea. You want to be looking for ways to invest your money. Don't let your money just sit there. Now, I'm not saying don't have a small, maybe in this day and age, maybe five to $10,000 if you can save that much, but maybe 5 to 10,000 just as an emergency fund. But don't just thousands and thousands of dollars. You need to be deploying that money into investments that are going to be making you money every single month, whether it be stock market, real estate, starting a business. Flip that money and make more money from that money. Schools don't teach that. They teach you to just save. Also, number two, what schools don't teach is that risk, and specifically calculated risk, is required. Guys, I'm going to tell you, you have to be taking risks. If you're not taking risks, you are not going to be successful, be wealthy in the future. You may say, well, I like my 9 to 5, my job. It's so comfortable and there's no risk. And I know that, but you don't know how quickly that job can vanish. Just in a split second, that job can be gone. We've had so many places where I live here in Danville, Virginia. We've had so many places up and quit or up and leave just in a moment's notice, and you're now without a job. You don't want that to be you. So you need to take calculated risk. And I'm not talking about don't have a 9 to 5 job, but have something else that's supplemental to that. And number three, and this is one of the most important ones, and this is going to be a make it or break it, is number three is learn. They don't teach you to learn from experienced people in whatever you are trying to accomplish. So if you want to start a business, if you want to start investing in the stock market, you want to start investing in real estate, you need to find somebody that is 5 years ahead of you, 10 years ahead of you, and start just learning from that person. Now, it may be somebody that you know personally. That's the best because you can ask questions, you can text that person. Don't be don't just call that person at all hours of the day or night or whatever. Maybe text message them or message them on Facebook or something, but don't just be calling people. But hey, reach out. If you want to reach out to me, I'm here. I will help you. I love, love, love helping people to learn how to invest, get that first rental property or whatever the case may be. So learn from people who are experienced, and that is essential to you being successful. I hope this helps. I hope I've put a little bit of knowledge in your brain today, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Please make sure you subscribe, you like the video, you share it, because hey, I want to be able to help as many people as I can. So I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you next time.